Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, PN Entertainment LLP. We hope you are all doing well. Today, we are heading to Goa. Are you all ready? Let's get started. Finally, we have arrived at Goa Portuguese, at Mahim in Mumbai as we wanted to explore Diva Maharashtra, which was established in 2017 by Dr. Suhas Avchat and Deepa Avchat. Diva Maharashtra is one of the Royal Maharashtrian restaurants serving over 150 non-vegetarian seafood and vegetarian delicacies. They also provide live music from various regions of Maharashtra. This entire area is divided into three parts: Goa Portuguesa, Diva Maharashtra, and Dakshin Culture Curry. Each section has its specialty. In Goa Portuguesa, you can enjoy authentic Goan food, while Diva Maharashtra offers traditional Maharashtrian dishes from all regions. Dakshin Culture Curry showcases a variety of South Indian dishes from Kerala, Andhra, Telangana, including Chettinad. Before we continue exploring this place, I must admit, I'm feeling hungry. Let's indulge in our food first and then explore the rest of the restaurant. We started with chicken sweet corn soup, and the taste was amazing. It had sufficient pieces of chicken and egg. The highlight of our menu was the spiced rubbed ravas. This dish was suggested by their manager, and the moment we took a bite, it immediately melted in our mouths, satisfying our taste buds. Next up was the crispy prawn fry, and the fish was incredibly fresh and crispy, just as the name suggests. Surprisingly, even though it was fried, we couldn't find a single drop of oil on the prawns, which was commendable. Now, let's explore some vegetarian dishes as well. We tried the Kaju Kothimbeer Vadi, which was crispy and had plenty of cashews. It had the perfect amount of Bengal gram, besan, combined with kothimbeer or coriander leaves. It was truly delightful. We also enjoyed the Aloo Vadi, which is my personal favorite. These crispy vadis were served with green pudina chutney, creating a perfect combination. To refresh ourselves, we ordered a virgin mojito with mint leaves. It was cool and refreshing. Now, let's move on to the main course. They have a live counter for appam, and we witnessed some of them being made. After that, we had the pomfret kojambu, which featured pomfret in a coconut and tamarind-based gravy. The portion size was sufficient for 2 people, and it was beautifully garnished with coriander. We also tried the tender coconut cashew nut sukke, which is the chef's award-winning signature dish. It combined coconut, cashews, and Goan spices, resulting in a truly remarkable and award-worthy flavor. During our meal, there was a talented gentleman playing the guitar for every table. He had a list of songs, and we could request any of them. His wonderful voice made us want to listen to him for hours. Finally, it was time for desserts. We had puran poli with clarified butter, that is ghee, and it was truly amazing. We received 2 pieces on one plate, and it wasn't overly sweet, but it had a hint of cardamom. Another dessert we tried was the strawberry ice cream, which was simply delightful. Lastly, we savored the vatlappam, a pudding made with eggs, jaggery, coconut milk, and flavored with cinnamon. The taste was out of this world, truly awesome. Now, let's explore the rest of the restaurant and see how it looks from the outside. As soon as you enter Goa Portuguesa, you'll feel like you have arrived in Goa. The ambience, the music, and even the waiters wearing floral Hawaiian shirts contribute to the Goan vibe. At Dakshin Culture Curry, the decor features a wooden ceiling, stamp bars, pillars, and antique wooden carvings. And popular South Indian music sets the mood for an authentic dining experience. In Diva Maharashtra, they have assembled a trumpet, representing the culture of Maharashtra. Additionally, you can spot portraits of many famous personalities from Maharashtra near the windows. A truly remarkable aspect of the hospitality here is the personal involvement of the restaurant owners, Dr. Suhas and Deepa Avjat. They make it a point to visit each and every table, a gesture that is rarely seen in today's fast-paced world. During their visits, they kindly seek feedback from all the customers, demonstrating their commitment to exceptional service. This place has now become my go-to destination for all my food cravings. That's all for today's video. We're signing out for now, but we will see you in our next video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to PN Entertainment LLP. Stay safe and take care of yourselves and your families. Bye.